Alright, so today got my new frame in the mail from Dance Comp. Ordered this on Monday, so came decently quick. That's what Dance Comp does. They're really good at what they do. They're pretty solid at shipping stuff. But anyways, S&M BTM, really nice so far. Haven't really ridden it a lot, but it's nice. Colors are nice too. Everything looks well made. Got this little thing in here that looks pretty cool too. So yeah, I might as well do another bike check. So yeah, Colt Van grips, pretty good grips, solid. Compared to the Hoffman Raz, they're about the same, a little thicker, but Hoffman Raz wear out a lot quicker. And we got Kink Lightest barends, holding up really well. They get thrown a lot, or not really thrown around, but they do what they're supposed to do. They're barends, whatever. Then WTP Mad Max bars, by far the best bars. Then profile push them. Got like 53 millimeters of reach. It's top load. Shadow headset. Yeah. Then Colt Sect V2 forks. Had these for like over a year and a half now, so holding up really well. Just little scratches and stuff, you know, just minor stuff, whatever. Then Shadow Raptor hub, Shadow stun rim, little ones pegs, hub guard, Shadow spokes. I don't know, it's a stock wheel, whatever. Pretty solid, nothing's happened to it. I don't even think I've really trued it except for like tightening spokes and stuff. 21-inch BTM. It's not focused at all. Yeah, it's pretty solid. It's a lot shorter, like shorter back end than my Fiend, so it's a lot easier to do manuals and stuff on. Anyways, down here, Shadow bottom bracket, Colt OS cranks. Yeah, had those for a year and a half now too. It's Odyssey Twisted PCs, best pedals. They're cheap and they grip really well. Shadow hub guard again, Shadow Raptor hub, stun rim, same thing, you know. Kinky seat of the Sexton variety. Sputnic seat post. Anyways, tree light sprocket. Anyways, back tire. Just some like, I think it's some random Maxxis tire that my friends let me borrow because my Demolition Momentum would not fit back there. So that's probably the only downside of this frame so far that I've realized, is that the tire clearance isn't that good. Like width-wise, can't really see it that good from the camera, but I don't know, it's... If you run small tires, it's fine, but if you run big tires like I have, it gets in the way. So you kind of see it like that, whatever. Yeah, so the front, only tires I'll ride, Demolition Momentum. It's dope, little squares, just chills and does whatever. Yeah. I don't think I'm missing anything, but if I am, I don't know, I guess you can comment and stuff, telling me what I miss, and I'll just tell you what it is, whatnot, whatever. Same thing. So yeah, that's basically it.